This is the Kingbull Literider e-bike, and it is foldable. This is a sturdy bike, and what a ride it is. I have someone, if you don't know, I now pay somebody to help me. It's two guys, and they put them together for me because I live in a van and I have nowhere to put these. And so they put them in the garage, and they're like, we'll put them together. And they take them for a test ride. And one of the guys took this for a test ride, and he lives by the other guy. And he's like, yeah, you probably didn't even know I drove by. He goes, and your dog didn't even get a chance to bark because that's how quick this is and how smooth it is. So they were telling me what a great bike it was. So I got the preview review of the Kingbull already. So I am going to bring you closer and show you what it's got. Right here is how you're going to turn it on. It has a 5-level pedal assist. So the plus sign is going to bring it up, and the minus sign is going to bring it down. It has this great LCD screen, which is going to tell you your battery, how much you have, your miles per hour, and other things about your ride. It has great handlebar grips and always easy to reach brakes. To turn on the headlight, you're going to hold the plus sign down. And of course, you always need the bell. Over here, we have the 7-speed Shimano gears. And this to make it go up, and that to go down. Right here, the right side handle grip with the easy to reach brake here, and this is the half twist throttle. And starting at the front here, look at how nice this headlight is. It also has front suspension, and you know, for me, the all-important disc brakes. And look at these tires. They are 20x4, and they are going to get you through anything in any season. And this Kingbull Literider has the battery in the bike, which is really nice. It makes it look really sleek. It has a really comfortable adjustable seat, a really hardy kickstand, back brake lights, and a back rack to help you carry things on your ride. This is the battery on-off switch. This is where you charge the battery. The Literider is also foldable. You're going to take this and pull it out. To fold the handlebars, you're just going to pull this down. And there you go. It's ready to travel. The Kingbull Folding Electric Bike Literider comes in 2 colors, white and red. It has a 750 watt geared hub motor, a 15 amp hour lithium ion battery, a range up to 50 miles, and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. It has a payload capacity of 400 pounds and 20x4 CST tires. Its foldable design makes it more portable. Its unibody frame makes it more robust. Its integrated battery makes it more secure, and its step frame makes it more convenient. Its excellent performance makes it superior and reliable. Front fork suspension provides top-notch shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. And the all-terrain tires allow for riding in extreme conditions. Height recommendation is 5'1" to 6'5", and the Literider weighs 73 pounds. Also comes with a 2-year warranty, free shipping, and a 15-day return. And you know, always safety first. Wear a helmet because e-bikes can go really fast. So, let's ride. What a beautiful day and what a fun ride. The Kingbull Literider folding e-bike is going to take you where you want to go. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description below, and you know what to do. Go up, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van. You can just get yourself one of these. It's going to take you wherever you want to go on a whole lot of adventures. And go call someone you love, and as Joy says, tell them that you love them, and don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.